Hello everyone. Today we're going to do some simple down strumming and then we're going to double it up the second time round. The song we're doing is I'm Pressing on the Upward Way, and as a Christian we're all pressing on the upward way and we have to find new height. We have to be lifted by God above the everyday troubles, lifted to something higher than what we are experiencing on earth. So the song is in C, which means that we're playing in C. That's from the 5th string down, F from the 4th string down, G all the strings. And we also have G7s, which is almost like C, but the two top fingers go one higher each and the bottom finger go one lower. So this is normal G and this is G7. It's easier to go from there to C. So we're just going to go with our nails down. You can go with one nail down or two nails down or three nails down or four nails down. Personally, I often use four nails. It's a more full sound. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. I'm pressing on the upward way, new heights I'm gaining every day, still praying as I'm onward bound. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. Lord, lift me up and let me stand by faith on heaven's tableland, a higher plane than I have found. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. Sometimes you can just end off on the last word. You don't have to add anything special. So second time round, we're just going to double. Instead of going down, 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 we're going to go down, 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 down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. I'm pressing on the upward way, new heights I'm gaining every day, still praying as I'm onward bound. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. Lord, lift me up and let me stand by faith on heaven's tableland, a higher plane than I have found. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. So we're actually counting in sixes here, and every time you come to the first note of the 6, it's a little bit louder, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, and then you also put more accent on your bass note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. But if you just go down, not concentrating on any bass notes except not going higher than your chord, it's fine, like this. I'm pressing on the upward way, new heights I'm gaining every day, still that's just getting a little bit fancy to put an accent on your bass note every 6 notes, but that is a bit technical. But if you're interested, you can try that. So remember to download the lead sheet from the description, get the chords and the words, and also be spiritually uplifted and strengthened to carry on your way, on your Christian road. And happy practicing. See you next time. Bye.